Welcome back to Helper Dad. Today, we're diving into the world of METEORA token, symbolized as $MET. We'll provide an overview of what this token is all about, exploring its specific purpose and the utility it brings to the table. We'll also highlight the key features that define the METEORA ecosystem, giving you a good understanding of its core functionalities. Finally, we'll briefly touch on the TGE, or Token Generation Event, which is an important milestone in the life of any cryptocurrency. Let's delve into the METEORA, or $MET token. This section will cover the basics of what $MET actually is, starting with its name, its symbol, and a brief description of its purpose. We'll also explore the blockchain technology that powers it, specifically Solana, and discuss the total supply of tokens as well as the initial circulating supply. Next, we'll examine the utility and various use cases for the $MET token. This includes its role in governance within the METEORA ecosystem, the possibilities for staking and yield farming to earn rewards, incentives designed to attract and reward liquidity providers, and finally, how holding $MET can grant discounts on fees within the METEORA platform. Finally, we will examine the tokenomics of the $MET token, which describes how the tokens are distributed, including the allocation breakdown for different stakeholders such as the team, the community, and any reserve funds. We'll also cover the vesting schedule, which dictates when certain allocations become available, and whether or not a burning mechanism is in place to potentially reduce the total supply over time. Right, let's dive into the Token Generation Event, or TGE. A TGE is essentially the birth of a new cryptocurrency token. It's the event where the token is first created and distributed to the public, serving to raise funds and kickstart the project's ecosystem. If there's a specific TGE date and time, we'll want to pinpoint that, making sure to note the exact date and time, as well as the corresponding time zone so you don't miss out. Now, if you're looking to participate, there might be eligibility requirements and a KYC, or Know Your Customer, process involved. This is done to ensure compliance with regulations. You'll also likely need to register for the TGE, and they'll typically accept specific cryptocurrencies for participation. Pay attention to the minimum and maximum allocation amounts to understand the limits of your potential contribution. Finally, after the TGE, it's important to know the token distribution schedule so you know when to expect your tokens, as well as the claiming process, which outlines the steps to actually receive those tokens. Right, let's explore how to acquire $MET, the METEORA token, on MEXC Global. First, we'll delve into why MEXC Global is a suitable platform, giving you a brief overview of the exchange itself and the specific reasons behind listing $MET there. Next, we'll guide you through creating an account on MEXC, providing a step-by-step sign-up process, including the essential KYC verification. Then, we'll cover depositing funds into your MEXC account, outlining the supported cryptocurrencies, and offering precise instructions on how to transfer your crypto assets. Finally, we'll focus on trading $MET on MEXC, showing you how to locate the appropriate trading pair, such as MET/USDT, and how to place buy orders using both market and limit order strategies. Remember to always follow security best practices while using MEXC. Right, let's walk through how to buy $MET, the METEORA token, on a Solana decentralized exchange, or DEX. First, it's important to understand what a Solana DEX is. These are decentralized exchanges operating on the Solana blockchain, with popular examples being Orca, Radium, and Serum. To begin, you'll need a Solana wallet. Popular choices include Phantom, Solflare, and Solet. Make sure to create a new wallet and, critically, securely store your seed phrase. Next, you need to fund your Solana wallet by transferring SOL into it, keeping in mind the transaction fees, or gas, associated with Solana transactions. Once your wallet is funded, you can swap for $MET on a DEX. You'll need to connect your wallet to the DEX, select the $MET trading pair, and carefully consider your slippage tolerance, which is an important factor when trading volatile assets. Finally, you can complete the swap transaction to acquire $MET. It's also important to be aware of potential risks, such as impermanent loss if you're participating in liquidity pools, and the general security risks associated with interacting with decentralized exchanges. Let's delve into how $MET utilizes the Solana blockchain. Solana offers some key advantages, including its impressive transaction speed and notably low fees, along with its scalability and high throughput. $MET integrates directly with Solana, leveraging these features for enhanced speed and efficiency, while also ensuring compatibility with other Solana-based projects. If you're interested in examining the specifics, you can easily view the $MET smart contract using a Solana blockchain explorer, where you can verify essential token details and keep track of all transactions. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Helper Dad. In conclusion, we've explored the potential of the METEORA token, $MET, and its place within the Solana ecosystem. Now, it's your turn to take the reins. We encourage you to delve deeper into the METEORA ecosystem, conduct your own thorough research, and decide if $MET aligns with your investment strategy. Finally, remember that the crypto world moves quickly, so be sure to stay informed about the latest updates, announcements, and developments surrounding $MET and the entire METEORA platform to make well-informed decisions.